Welcome back. And football is where we begin. In a surprising turn of events, referees have initiated a strike over safety concerns, leading to the cancellation of several key Dacosta Cup matches on Saturday. As the ripple effects of this unprecedented action unfold, questions loom over the commitment to ensuring a safe environment for all stakeholders.
Citing inadequate security measures and rising tensions both on and off the field, officials have opted to walk away from games scheduled on Saturday, leaving teams and fans in limbo. For the past week, the topic of security has been a talking point. 2 weeks ago, an assistant referee was struck by an object at the Malden High School game between the home team and Cornwall College. And then last Saturday, a referee was attacked at a game between Dintil Technical and McGraw High following the final whistle. Dintil have taken action by punishing 3 players, with the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association ISA handing down a ruling in the incident to 2 of the 3 players and another who was not punished by the school. With the genuine fear expressed by the referees, the island's officials have decided to take matters into their own hands. Competitions officer at ISA, Ewan Scott, says there was a meeting with the referees and ISA on Saturday morning.
A meeting invite was sent at about 9:25 to the membership of the JFRA, and a meeting was held at 10 o'clock. We had discussion for approximately an hour.
Scott also says at what point he was aware of the decision made by the officials.
I inquired and never got anything to affirmative that was so. Then I was called at about 9:50 to ask me to check my email, which I did. Saw an email from the JFRA indicating that the referees were not pleased with certain situations, specifically mainly safety and security.
Scott says with the cancellation of the games, it means that they will have to go back to the fixtures to reshuffle the matches going forward.
The plan is for the games that were scheduled today. There were 26 Dacosta Cup matches scheduled today, that will move them to Monday and then adjust the schedule going forward.
Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.